to you. What are volcanoes?
Eruption of magma.
అదే volcano.
The lava gets get erupted outside on the earth's surface.
Okay, from surface, huh?
Yes, sir. Earth's surface. Like on the mountain.
Okay. What is volcano? According to you, what is volcano?
Release of energy from inside the surface due to increase in the
Okay, it is some similar kind, but tension ಆಗ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದು, volcano ಹೋದಾಗ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ. Yes, even volcano magma which is boiling, right, it is exerting pressure. Actually, volcanoes are some kind of opening. It is a opening on the surface of the earth through which magma, hot gases, water vapor, pyroblast, bombs, everything come. The magma which is not able to stay there. Okay, if it wants to come out, it should first have an opening, right? Only then a volcano is formed. Are you understanding? The process is not called volcano. Volcano actually is what? It's an opening on the surface. From where magma is coming to the surface and it is becoming lava. Along with magma, so many hot gases are also thrown out. Water vapor is so many gases are thrown out. Dust particles, ash particles, everything is thrown. Pyroclast anta bartavu. Volcanic bombs anta bartavu. Okay, they are flying like fireballs. They are oozing out of the opening. So generally, volcano is an opening in the surface of the earth through which what gases, molten rock materials, ash, and most importantly, lava, which is magma inside, and when it comes out as lava. In the course of an eruption. Okay, eruption agonda ivella barabata. So that is what is volcano. So generally volcanoes ell bartava. Where can volcanoes come? Wherever the rock structure is not very strong. Only those places the magma is able to push and cut through the rock surface, exert such a pressure that these rocks may disintegrate and then make a space. Then it will come. Okay, so that is how it is. Whether the magma, it can exert pressure on the earth's crust or not. Wherever the weak rocks are there, they will break, they will disintegrate, they will separate like this. They will make way for magma to come to the surface. As simple as it is. And ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ magma ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Lava. Okay. So volcanoes ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ depending on what type of volcano it is. If it is explosive nature, then mountains are formed. Okay, I'll tell you the reason why. And if it is silent eruption and flowing volcano, then plateaus are formed. Depending on the intensity of that volcano, how strong it is. If it is a weak volcano, then plateaus are formed. If it is a strong volcano, then the mountains are formed. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So lava ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ. Lava ಅಂತ ಏನಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, it is two types. One is acidic type. Another one is basic type. Acidic lava ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Silica is high. Okay, silica low ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Just like rocks. ತಿಳಿದ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ? So in acidic lava, because of lot of presence of silica, those kind of lavas are viscous. They are very thick paste irutte, and slowly it is moving very slowly, and that is why it can also solidify very fast. It can cool down very fast and it can solidify. But liquid lavas which are having less silica content and they are less viscous, so they are flowing like rivers sometimes. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? And they are spreading very fast. When whatever comes, it is buried, and they take a lot of time to cool down also. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Understood? Yes. So ಈಗ acidic lava ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ that will spread to more areas, or basic lava ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ that will spread to more areas. Basic, because it is able to flow easily. Acidic lava ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and to reach the bottom ಅಂದ್ರೆ foot of the mountain only it will take 4 days, and within that it is cooled down. Okay, that is why it is able to form mountains. More and more viscous lava is coming, no, it is only adding to the layers which are already there. That is why cone volcano, okay, they are called stratotype volcanoes, because there are strips of different lavas. So pyroclasts ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, pyroclasts, you know, this is all everything ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ volcano ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Pyroclasts ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Pyroclasts are nothing but they are volcanic avalanches, you know. Avalanche is made up of what actually? Snow. Snow debris ಮತ್ತೆ flow, it is snow is flowing down the mountain slowly, okay, not slowly, at very high speed, okay. Slow moving ice is called glaciers, okay. Avalanche is very fast, it is moving very swiftly, and it will destroy everything, can destruct everything on its way. ಈ ರೀತಿನ same way, if volcano is flowing, it is having solid, semi-solid, molten, okay, as well as expanding gases, and then it is moving down the mountain. Many villages which are situated at the foot of this such kind of volcanoes get buried overnight. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆಗೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಳಿದ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪೈರೋಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಪೈರೋಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು. What is this called? This is called a vent. It is the space through which the magma comes to the surface. ಅದು vent ಅಂತ. Crater ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? This depression ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. See, what happens is once magma is coming, after the pressure has ended, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. It is going down and it gets solidified. So that is why you have a crater here. It is pretty big in size, but you see a bowl-like shape on the top of mountain. If you go and see, it is a bowl-like shape. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Yes, it is like you can see very large volcanoes are there. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮೌತ್ ಇದ್ದದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ, there is a different name for that. ಇದಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, lava is coming up, after the pressure has ended ಅಲ್ಲ, the lava will subside. Before it is subsiding, what it gets solidified. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ there is a kind of depression at the top of volcanic mountain. That is called the pipe is called vent, and the bowl-like structure which is we are getting after solidification of magma, that we call it as crater. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sometimes ಈ ಬಾರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, so some vents may get created here, okay, some vents may get created here. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ volcano ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ they are called parasitic cones, you know. Because see, they are like small in size and the bigger host is there, these are coming out of that and feeding, okay. So that is why they are called parasitic cones. So sometimes this lake, whatever I told you, this lake ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, this crater, ಇದು crater. Crater ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, crater may get sometimes filled with water whenever it rains. It is called crater lake. ಏನು? Crater lake. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಲ್ಕನೋಸ್ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಅಂತ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಓಕೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sometimes the entire ಇದೇನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, the cone model, this is volcanic cone. Sometimes the volcano is so strong that this entire top of this cone has been blown away. ಇದು ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇತ್ತ, this is blown away. ಅಂದ್ರೆ in some times ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the vent is there, while the magma after the reduction in pressure it was going down, it got solidified. Now the mouth of that vent has been closed or not. Now next time when the magma wants to come out, it is not able to easily come out, and there is build up of pressure. After so much time, what happens, the entire the top is blown away, and this becomes a very large area like this. This is called a caldera, you know, caldera. Okay, so caldera is ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Understood?
Composite.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ features they are which are related to volcanoes. Okay, write down hot springs. Hot springs ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, see, springs are what generally they are source of water. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹೈಯರ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, there it is coming out, springs ಅಂತ, ಹೌದಾ? If that water is coming from a nearby volcanic chamber or volcanic magma chamber, then these water is gets heated and then it is flowing out, and you can even see smoke. They are called hot springs. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Nothing else. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಯರ್ಬೈ ಈಗ ವಾಟರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, there is a magma chamber, and because of the heat of the magma chamber, this water is also getting heat, and then you will see a hot smoke also. Okay, you will see that water is more warmer than the usual springs. Other hot springs ಅಂತ. Geysers ಅಂದ್ರೆ these are periodic hot springs. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, there is a hole. ಕಾರ್ಟೂನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಲ್ ಇಂದ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ hot springs are thrown away, steam of water is getting thrown away. You will generally see this in cartoons only. In real life, you have to go to what? Yellowstone National Park in USA. What? Yellowstone National Park in USA. There you will find both hot springs as well as geysers. Okay, geysers are intermittent hot springs which are throwing away steams. Okay, superheated water and steam is ejected from the earth surface. They are called geysers. Geysers. Hot springs and geysers. Springs are a continuous flow of water. These geysers are not continuous. They have time. There is one geyser in Yellowstone National Park. It is called Old Faithful. You know, Old Faithful geyser. So this geyser erupts every 65 minutes. 65 minutes ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ geyser ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So until once if it is erupts, you can go and sit in the vent and you can wait for next and get out before next geyser comes. Fumaroles ಅಂತಾರೆ. Fumaroles. 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 These are also vents which will eject hot spring, but ಇದೇನು ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, they will keep emitting. Solfataras ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Solfataras. SOL Solfataras. SOLFATARAS. Along with steam, they eject sulfur-rich gases. That is why SOL. Okay, sulfur. So, these hot springs, geysers, fumer also. All these are ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಇರ್ತಾವಂದ್ರೆ wherever there is active volcanic activity. ಅಂದ್ರೆ young volcanoes ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ which are not become extinct or dormant, ಆ regions ಅಲ್ಲಿ you will find more of this geysers ಮತ್ತೆ hot springs. All these are there with wherever volcanic activity is still active, very young. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Geological Survey of India says that there are around 350 such active energy zones in India. 350 energy zones ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. One most promising site is Puga in Ladakh. Puga Valley of Ladakh. Puga Valley of Ladakh.
Hot springs 350,000.
No, not hot springs. Like they are called geothermal energy locations ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರೆ. See, geothermal ಈಗ anyway when we go to the depth of the earth, there is increase in temperature. So there are some locations where there is increase, but you may not find volcanic activity there. Geothermal energy is earth heat that is used to generate energy. Okay, some kind of energy. Electricity ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, steam ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Okay, steams are also used, right? Steams are only used to turn the blades. Okay, hot steaming bit ಕೊಡ್ದೆ force ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು it will hit the blades, then electricity is produced. So classification of volcanoes. Classification of volcanoes.